Hello everyone, Dave's Bar back here, and I've got a lot to unpack before we start playing. Might as well get in and look at the ladies and the whole fire team, including that wild Eddie guy who has I don't know how to explain him actually. He is a self-propelled through the air, and I grabbed 20, I think 2077-ish. Not cyberpunk. No, this is still in the this place that I just know the name of. And I forget. Fallout, man. I knew this. Alright, see, we got enemies. We're gonna take care of them. We'll talk to you as we go. But anyway, what we is unpacking here is this. This is another multi thing. I'm gonna put it into modeling because we're gonna have the girls model in a minute. If we get a minute. This might just be a little battle scene, yeah. Only get 10 minutes of time, camera stuff, don't know why. Same reason I'm doing this, just on the TV screen. I need some tech help bad. I know when they're supposed to let me do this. Oh, hey, there you are. Somebody gonna help? See, I'll let them do that. This is training. This is girl training, except we're doing combat training instead of dance. I really wish they dance. This ain't the Sims, though. Anyway, isn't that beautiful? We should shoot. Yeah, right outside our house. Was there more bad guys? No, I was it. I tell you what, we're gonna shoot right here, lady. Where are you? Eddie, what are you doing? Really? I can't understand things you mad at me. What I'm gonna do first though, Dell's poses. His eyes just gonna take off. Her armor. Don't get serious now. She got plenty of clothes here. And what I gotta do is go over here to right here. Over here is where it says her stuff. I'm gonna let her leave on her bag. I want to see what she wanna wear. Because I mean I'm just that way. It's like, honey, we're out, everything's clear, we is safe. And I just wanna see what she wanna wear. Let's see what she is. Boom, there's her lab coat. That's what she got when she become the doctor. Now, how not to model? This is Dead Fish modeling. This would not be Sarah. Sarah would be all over the place. I didn't even try modeling Sarah. I was afraid to ask. Okay, Sarah, girl, what I have to do here, just because I don't like looking at you that way, don't interrupt me. I'm coming over here. You don't need no ball cap, okay? The bag's fine for the moment. And them glasses, I want all glass things out of you. Folks, when I slow down, I'm not blood or anything, I'm not dying. Just means I picked up so much of this junk, I'm going to be taking off one piece at a time. Did I get off her glasses and hit it yet? Oh, she's going to have the hat. We want to see the hat. I don't think I've seen the hat yet. No, whoa. I'm supposed to give you that, girl. She can get this way, though.
Sure.
She's actually a redhead. This is Sarah, y'all, by the way. This is my Sarah, the closest thing I could ever come to. I don't want to do my stuff. The closest thing I could ever come to the real life Sarah, except she got black hair, but then Sarah, if she wanted to dye her hair, cut it short and straighten down, who am I to complain? It won't do any good to get me in trouble. All that's what I should have got right from the buzz. Let's see what she got there. It was the rattan hat. Yeah, you got your arms crossed. It's like, you model, Dave, I ain't gonna do it. I'll do anything else you ask, but I just can't get over it, man. I don't know how to model. Hey, girl. Let's talk just a second.
What's up?
Am I still poisoning anything? She's a
Of
great
course.
doctor.
What's going on?
She said I'm still, don't feel so well, baby.
Okay, hold still.
I'm trying. Boy, I got poison. When did I get poison again? Anyway, that's my Delian, baby. I mean, you guys gonna see some stuff. Let me just put it that way. And I don't even know when this is gonna end because it's been 10 minutes more tech. See, I'm audio away. But it'll be more tech that I just don't even know about. Don't know how to stop it. Stop it in 10 minutes. Never thought I'd be sending out videos this long anyway. Alright, we're gonna start with Hope.
Sure. Might have something you can use.
Oh God. That's open, honey. You don't be saying things like that to me, you know better. I'm gonna get that hosted backpack. Don't think with that. Where are you headed, baby? But I need your arm. Let's get those sunglasses out here. We don't need that. Now get that hell. Did I get your arm? Did I get your arm? I'm not, you had your, well, you're wearing your arm, what am I saying? Oh, she got the party hat. I have not seen this. You look so silly, girl. I got to take that from you. You see, they're both dead fish ones. There's no denying. And Deli's supposed to be close to me, and she was like right up my butt. Maybe I yelled at her too much for that. Well, getting back to Deli, let's go on to our next costume. Is this not exciting or what? Give me your stuff, bro.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah, I know. You're going to do what I tell you because you train you. I mean, sometimes you might just say, no, you keep that. I want that last person. Let's see if there's anything. Just don't want it. You don't, yeah, your tribal necklace is good, honey, but those leg guards just kind of get in the way. And what does Jelly choose next? Jelly, she's Jimmy Berry. Oh, where's that hat she's wearing? No, we don't want you in there. Hey, what you got, baby? What is she wearing now? She's just ready for combat, this girl. I didn't take the right, oh, I got another hat. Oh, NCRCP. Correctional place. It's the correctional penitentiary. I don't like doing that. I'm taking it from you. I'm taking that hat too.
Sure.
Yeah. You see how she is? We get along fine, but I mean, there have been times, like right now, this is another thing Sarah would never do. She's not speaking to me. This girl was up my butt everywhere we went. I mean, right straight up, in the way, all the time. And I yelled at her a lot. I agree. Why? Yeah, we'll let you look at it. Come on, come on, come on. Don't want that hat. Thought I got it. Alright, how about now? Okay, I didn't. Oh, there you go. Just a little bit. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Get down here with me, girl. Let me take a look at you. All fine. You are adorable. Too bad I can't get you to pose in any way. I hold the gun on you. Maybe that's what's bothering you. Oh my God, that was a shot, honey. Stay there. You stay. See, this is another problem. They don't listen. These girls do not listen. I hope I gotta get you out of that party hat. Maybe I can put you two together. I was waiting to do that. I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna end this video. I don't even know how long we've been going. I get so involved in this.
Got any food?
Honey,
I'm so hungry, my belly thinks my throat's taking a nap.
You can have all that ant meat you want, but we're gonna sell it if you don't eat it. And they got me looking in the wrong place and getting all confused. One more for you, but we're getting rid of that party hat. No armored suits, we are fine. You went after a death claw girl in your underwear. What are you talking about? Oh, wow, what is that? That's scary. Let's stand up. Will she look at me dead? No, you can't even see. That's not good for combat, girl. You have blind in that thing. Anyway, we'll be right back. We'll save it right here. And let's see what goes on the next time around. Alright? I'll be right back. I promise. I gotta talk to these girls privately just a minute. They get this way, you know. Thank you for watching. Come help me tech people. Bye.